When the going gets tough, the tough get going. And what's the 21st century way to look for a job? Instagram. वहाँ पे सब कुछ तो हो रहा है. People are literally making their livelihoods on the gram. So why not leverage your Insta skills to get a job too? We've put together a neat guide for you so that you can use the platform to represent yourself, network and get work. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Step 1. Update your profile or make a new one. To be seen and to get noticed, you need to be visible first. For that, you'll have to either switch your private account to a professional public account or create a new professional account which represents your work, skills and experience. चाहे आप एक desk bound job में हो या फिर एक creative field में, displaying your work samples, testimonials, upskilling updates and even your images is a great way to furnish a good work profile on Instagram. Step 2. Build your brand voice. Plan the aesthetics of your profile well in advance, which will include figuring out a color scheme, the layouts, a common filter, and of course the content going out for each post and highlight. Your visual voice is your brand. It will set you apart from your competitors. Pen down a catchy bio that tells exactly what you do. Use a closeup as your profile picture and create a content strategy. Then start by posting creatives about you, your experience and your skills. आप 500 से 1000 रुपए लगा के इन पोस्ट्स को एड्स की तरह प्रमोट कर सकते हैं, बट उससे पहले अपने काम के कुछ सैंपल्स पोस्ट करना मत भूलिएगा. और हाँ, लिंक इन बायो में लिंक्डइन और अपना पोर्टफोलियो वेबसाइट को लिंक करना मत भूलिएगा. Step 3. Create content to share. Once you lay the groundwork, you can start posting your work as content. Each piece of content must be repackaged and segregated into different funnels to acquire followership and then to maintain it. Your best projects can be repackaged in the form of videos, images, GIFs and carousels. इन projects के साथ उनके details को add करना मत भूलिएगा. So if you're a writer, share quotes, longer pieces as carousels and creative visualizations of your written word. Instagram एक visual medium है, which is why it is important for you to invest your written pieces with an aesthetic appeal. Writers, photographers और designers के लिए Instagram पर अपना काम डालना काफ़ी आसान है. But what if you're into sales and marketing? Find an aspect of your work which is interesting and can be visually represented. You can package tips, statistics and data in a very visually appealing way. Step 4. Networking. अब यहाँ तक आपने आधा काम कर लिया है. आपने अपना काम पोस्ट कर दिया है, एड्स डाल दिए हैं, कुछ फॉलोअर्स भी एक्वायर कर लिए हैं. But next step is to follow people that you want to work with. They could be your formal employers, clients, colleagues or anyone that you've worked in the past and people that you'd like to work in the future. जिन कंपनीज में आप काम करना चाहते हैं उनके ऑफिशियल अकाउंट्स को फॉलो कीजिए और वहाँ पर जो लोग काम करते हैं उनको भी फॉलो कीजिए. You could DM them and request them to check out your work. और जॉब पोर्टल्स में जब इन कंपनीज की कोई वैकेंसीज निकलेंगी, you can interact with them in their DMs and this will help you get noticed at the right time. Step 5. Interact and post regularly. Now that you're out and about, you might have started getting replies to your DMs and people may be getting in touch with you to give you work. Make it a point to interact with them regularly and keep the conversation going and growing. Post regularly, use relevant hashtags, tag the relevant people and add locations in your posts. Reels and IGTV are a good way to get discovered in the crowded world of Instagram, so make sure that you post content in both the formats. The idea is to stay active and interact with people as much as you can, so engage with other accounts by following them, talk to them in comments, reply to comments on your posts and even share other people's work. Important days or trends से related creatives डालिए and tell people that you're still very much out there and hungry for good work. Instagram is a great tool to discover other people and get discovered yourself. So go out, create your professional account now and keep posting, be dedicated, consistent and resilient till you find a job. You can also join the Cool Kanya Women Only Career Community to ask and answer questions, grow your professional network and build a career you love. And if you found this video helpful, then like, share and subscribe to Cool Kanya. Let us know in the comments below what more you'd like to watch. And until next time, raise your power.